Need to learn how to use this machine. So our first breath is a 2-4 breath, where we're breathing in for 2 and we're breathing out for 4 counts. Now, this is a down-regulating breath and it's a stress-relieving breath. And the mechanics behind it, whenever we feel a trigger in our body, a contraction, a experience out there that's making us feel uncomfortable, i.e. the heart rate increases, we feel emotions arising, I'm going to call that a trigger. Something's triggered us and we're going into a body experience. So we're going to go over all the chemicals and that later, but I want to take you into this breath first. So imagine that experience is really only going to last for 90 seconds because it is a chemical reaction in your body. So what happens is that trigger happens and we start to go into that chemical reaction. We have not been taught how to naturally make that subside using our breath work, and we jump onto it with our stories of the past and what's been going on before and why this is relevant, and we've got a lot of stuff around that. And we can ride that fucker. We can ride that fucker all day. We can ride that fucker all year. A lot of people have been riding their fuckers for 2 years now with some of the stuff that's been going on out in society. So this breath in 90 seconds will actually bring your body back to balance because that chemical reaction is actually only going to last that long. That's it. And we all jump on it and ride it like a big fluffy horse. So the breath. I recommend breathing out through the mouth. Your in-breath can come in through your nose or your mouth. If you choose the mouth, I recommend pursing the lips a little like you're breathing through a straw and breathing in and out through the mouth. Our in-breath, we want it to come into the belly. So you're really expanding the belly as you breathe in. And letting go as you breathe out. Filling the belly. Again. Closing your eyes as you breathe. Simple. And again. Just noticing and feeling what's going on in your body as you breathe. Stay with the breath. As you feel the belly, it kind of feels like the breath comes up and there's a slight movement on the out breath. You're collapsing the belly back down and sinking into it. Relaxing the shoulders. As you breathe out, in your mind, say, I let go. And that's all it takes. If 90 seconds don't cut it, go for longer. I will put up a track which is 10 minutes of breathing, 100 breaths. This will bring you back into balance whenever you need it, but you don't need necessarily the whole 10 minutes. Watch your body during that experience. On the in-breath, bringing in the light, and on the out-breath, letting go. I let go, I relax, I soften, I surrender. Those are the affirmations or the statements you can make in your mind as you breathe out. Breathing in and out. We call this the 2-4 breath. We can expand it into a 3-6 and a 4-8. But right now, I want you to practice the 2-4 breath. With your attention in your body, on the belly, and on the breath as you practice. Over and out.